Hey, first violins. I wanted to take a second to describe how Montross works and measures 120 to 132. We looked at it for a second this morning. So I'm going to play what it sounds like. And I added a woodblock part so you could have the counting along, and I'll try to count as well. But there's no count into that, so it starts kind of abruptly. You'll see. Sorry, starting again. Now we're at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So, if you look at this second part, I'm going to actually do that one first. So I'm going to feature just this part in the playback. The counting is slightly different. This and comes between beats 2 and beats 3. So 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and. 2, 3, 4. Let's try just that part. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Next. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so let's look at the top one. That was the bottom part. Here's the top part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now let's look at them both again together one last time. Practice along, but I'm going to say the counting for the underneath line, the inside violins, okay? And have fun. I hope this is helpful. Go to it. You might have to do this a bunch of times. Just listen to it. It's a little computerized, I know that, but it was an easy way for me to demonstrate with accuracy. Okay, last time through, I'm counting this line. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Man, both times I said this 2-4 measure and I started to say 3-4 and I quickly changed my mind right here. Anyway, you know what to do. Carry on. Be better than me, and I know you can be, and don't be afraid to be awesome and get this part. And have a great day. Bye.